Hey guys, Jeremy with Creative Audio. Today we're going to be talking about the Hifonics THOR soundbars, the 6-speaker and the 10-speaker. The THOR 6-speaker and 10-speaker soundbars, full aluminum construction, aluminum extruded chassis, mesh grille on the front is full aluminum as well. They each have a 200-watt amplifier in both bars. The 6-speaker is 4 full range drivers with 2 titanium tweeters. The 10-speaker soundbar has 8 full range drivers with 2 titanium tweeters. Bluetooth controls in the front. It's got a dome light built in, cool LED strip at the top on both of them. Very nice build quality, good sound quality. The brackets are all included in the box. Comes with 3 different sizes of pipe clamps, 1.5, 1.75, and 2-inch, all included. They mount on the end and gives you a way to mount to a roll bar and a side-by-side golf cart. Even comes with an L bracket for your non-traditional roll bar applications. So that's an overview on the Hifonics THOR 6-speaker and 10-speaker soundbars. Rugged build quality for out on the trail, great sound quality. Comes with all the parts in the box to mount it. I think this is a great value. So don't forget to stay tuned for more out-of-the-box videos from Creative Audio.